Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the EMA 20, the 50, and the 200 in MetaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader, then go to Insert, Indicator, and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period, type 20. We have here method, choose Exponential, and style, choose any color you want. So for me, I will keep it on red. We have here the type of the line, and we have here the width of the line. So I will choose this one, click on OK. Now this is the 20 EMA. So let's add the 50 indicator, moving average, and type 50. Make sure it's on exponential here on method and change the color. So let's choose, for example, this one, and I will keep the same width and click on OK. Now this one is our 50. Let's add the 200 OMA, insert indicator and moving average, and let's type here 200. I will choose, for example, let's say this color, and the width I will make it a little bit bigger and click on OK. And this one is our 200 OMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.